Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So I see rejection at this level. I place my trade put option. I know this candle will reach this 200 EMA. It will close here on this 200 EMA level. That's why I place my trade put option at this level. You see it's rejecting from 200 EMA. I know it's definitely close below my level. You see it's closing exactly at 200 EMA. That's why I place my trade put option. I know market must reach this level before it reverses. So let's analyze another market and see. Here this is Morningstar pattern. Market is trying to create Morningstar pattern here, and the major trend is uptrend. Here is our reversal area, but this area is consolidation area. This area is consolidation between middle Bollinger Band. It's a consolidation area. Market must consolidate before it break this level. Market must consolidate on this area. Yes, I know market must consolidate at this area. That's why I place my trade put option. So this candle will be weak candle. This candle must be weak candle because you see this candle rejected exactly from the sell level, so it must close below my entry point before it start going up, because this is the consolidation area. That's why I place my trade put option. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it must close below my entry point, so that's why I place my trade put option. Let's see, we have 17 seconds. You see, so I know it must consolidate at this level because this is the consolidation area. This candle must be weak candle. You see, this is weak candle. That's why I place my trade. I know this candle must be weak candle. That's why I place my trade put option, because of the consolidation area. So let's analyze another market and see. So here, what do we have here? You are ranging in consolidation. Yes, here I missed this call. Here is clear call because of this weak candle. So let's wait for the next candle. This candle is weak candle. This candle is weak candle. If I get rejection, yes, I place put option. I place put option because of this dragonfly doji. It's a continuation candle. Sorry, gravestone doji. This gravestone doji market must continue because of this doji. So let's see. I know market must break this 200 EMA. It must close below this 200 EMA. That's why I place my trade put option. You see sellers entry, strong sellers entry. See, this is winning trade, so I'll stop trading now. I took total 3 trades, all are winning trades. First trade, you see, let me explain the first trade. You see the market movement after uptrend, then double top here, then market coming down strongly. This is the pullback from 20 MA and middle Bollinger Band. After a pullback, you should expect strong trend, and you can see this EMA is pointing down. This 20 is crossing the 50, showed that market is trying to go down, and this 100 is flat, 200 is flat. So that's why I go with momentum here. I place my trade put option at this level. Then the next trade here, you see is consolidation area, and this choppy market is not good one, but I try and I have analyzed well here. You see this is the ranging market, and I have told you in my last video, if you are not experienced enough, don't trade at this level, because this level is consolidation area. Anytime market must consolidate. You see here what you'll see here, you see market, you see consolidation, you see here consolidation, you see here consolidation. That's why when market reaches this level, I know it must consolidate. Then I place my trade. You see another consolidation. So that's why in this area, the whole area is consolidation area, especially a ranging market. A ranging market, if you are not experienced, don't trade at this level. Only trade at this Bollinger level and here down only. So you have 90% win ratio. You have 90% win ratio if you are trading at this Bollinger. You see after rejection, you see strong sellers. After rejection, you see buyers. You see after rejection, buyers. After rejection, sellers. So if you can exercise patience and trade at this Bollinger, it will be very, very nice for you. So here you see the last trade here. In the last trade here, you see this is the last trade after double top. It's still coming down. You see pullback, and after pullback, see retracement candle and the continuation, then gravestone doji, then market go down. I know definitely from here market, I know definitely from here market must go down. So that's why I place my trade, and you see EMA still are flat. So that's why I place my trade put option. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment, suggestion, please. I will say thank you. Bye bye.